guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing a cherry kind of look. I wanted to make this like a talk through tutorial, and I'm very excited because I have a new camera and it's right here and it's just great. I have a lot more new equipment and I'm just really happy with what I have right now, and you guys are gonna get really good content coming up soon, so stay tuned for that. So we're just going to get into this cherry look. I have like a whole outfit and like it's not gonna be like a cherry like eye, I don't know, you'll see, but I'm gonna do like a little talk through, and I kind of don't know what I'm doing, kind of like just going with it, so that's what we're gonna do. Okay guys, so weirdly enough, we're going to be starting with the eyes first. I'm going to be using this Maybelline concealer, and I'm just going to be concealing my eyes with this. And I'm just going to tap that in with my finger. Setting everything like that. And so I'm going to be mixing reds from the Jaclyn palette, the Anastasia Modern Renaissance palette, and the Huda Beauty mini palette to make like a really bright red. I'm going to be doing a cut crease kind of, except just the line to make like a sort of shape. So that's it for the eyes. I wanted to do a minimal but yet cool kind of makeup that you can like take everywhere. Not take everywhere, what am I talking? Do everywhere. But it's not too like showy or it's like annoying, if that makes any sense. Okay. Next up, black. So what we're going to be doing is doing a straight line that connects to this, but in black. Do I want to do it in black? I don't know. We'll see how it turns out. If not, then we'll just switch to white. Guys, after 20 minutes, I'm done with the eyes. Next, we're going to be taking a silver shade. I'm going to be taking Forever Lit by Anastasia, their highlighter palette, and I'm going to just pack that shit. Moving on to the face. For the face, I'm going to be using the Tatcha primer, the Silk Canvas primer. Next, I'm going to be using the Dior Air Flash Spray, and this is in the shade 301. Next, I'm going to be using the NARS Soft Matte Concealer in Chanelle. I'm going to be using the La Mer powder. Next, I'm going to be using the Dior blush, The Awakening. And Using a blush brush, I'm just going to lightly blush my face. I do not want it too pink. Using the Marc Jacobs bronzer in Coconut, I'm going to be using this to bronze my face. Going to quickly gel my brows with these Anastasia brow gel. This Anastasia brow gel. Next for highlighter, I'm going to be using the same highlighter I used for my inner corners. Forever Lit, yeah, from the Anastasia palette. Now for lips, I'm going to be using this lipstick by Givenchy. And using this e.l.f. tint, I'm going to be putting that on the very inner corner. And this is just so it adds dimension. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you like this makeup tutorial. I had the whole outfit and stuff. If you want to know where to get all this stuff, I'll link it down below, and also the makeup products and the music. And yeah, thank you guys so much for supporting me. And let's keep going up with those subscribers, because it'd be really nice if you click that bell so you know when to see my videos and when they're coming up. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Comment down below and more videos you want to see. Comment down below if you like the outfit idea and if I should do more outfit related kind of stuff like that. But other than that, thank you guys for watching, and bye!